Okay, so we're going to flask a denture right now. We'll take the clips off that hold the pieces together, separate them, set it on this angled support so that it makes everything flat and level. We're going to use some white stone.
And you don't need a black ring for this one?
Oh, we do, don't we? We're going to put our sprue former in place.
Okay.
Thank you. We'll get a fair amount of stone in our bowl. Add some water. Make it a creamy consistency. What do you call that? Maybe a consistency of sour cream?
Yeah.
Okay. Next we'll take that, plop it into here.
Leaving room for the denture.
Yeah, I'm going to pull it up along the sides first. Okay. Now we're going to take our denture. The stone has been Vaselined. I'm going to set this into place. And then we'll just bring our stone right up to the edges
Of the wax.
of the edges of the model, actually, is all we really need.
So you will cover the green stone but no pink?
Right. It could go all the way up to the wax, but our goal is to make it so that it's got no undercuts.
Keeping that little tunnel open to your sprue?
Right. Let that set, and then in a few minutes, where we have the sprue right here, we'll actually bring it up and connect it to right there with some wax, so that it then forms a channel for the acrylic to be injected into the thing. And then we'll just make sure our teeth are nice and clean, no stone on them, and we'll let that set.